Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Redmi Buds 6 active headphones and I'm going to tell you what to do if only one earbud is working. At first, check if there, near this pin over here, and there is some dust. If there is no dust, check if on your earphones is some dust over here. If there is, you have to clean it. If there is no dust, check if they are charging. If they are charging, try pairing with your Android phone. If they are not pairing with your Android phone, you have to do a hard reset and then check if your second earbud is working. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.